Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today you are going to learn 12 phrasal verbs like come in, come on, come out, come across and more. Part 1 basic phrases. First, come in meaning andarana. Examples, please come in. She came in quietly. The students came in the classroom. Second, come out meaning bahar jana. Examples, please come out. The sun came out. The truth will come out soon. Come back means wapas आना. I will come back soon. She came back home late. Please come back tomorrow. Part 2 daily use phrases. Come across meaning अचानक मिलना. I came across an old friend. She came across a photo. We came across a beautiful place. Fifth, come over meaning मिलने आना. Please come over to my house. He came over yesterday. She will come over tonight. 6. Come along. साथ आना या प्रगति करना. Please come along with me. He is coming along well. The project is coming along nicely. Come up. Come up means सामने आना. A problem came up. Something important came up. Her name came up in the discussion. 8th, come up with meaning विचार या सोचना. She came up with a new idea. He came up with a solution. We came up with a plan. 9. Come down meaning नीचे आना या कम होना. Please come down. Prices came down. He came down from the roof. Part 4 very useful expressions. Come true meaning सच होना. My dream came true. Her wish came true. Hard work makes dream come true. 9. Come down meaning नीचे आना या कम होना. Please come down. Prices came down. He came down from the roof. Part 4 very useful expressions. Come true means सच होना. My dream came true. Her wish came true. Hard work makes dream come true. 11. Come after means पीछा करना. The dog came after me. Police came after the thief. He came after his enemy. 12. Come through means सफल होना या मुश्किल से निकलना. He came through the exam. She came through a hard time. They came through successfully. Keep learning and keep speaking English confidently. See you in the next video.